The biggest news, which is currently shaking the investment and the tech world, Elon Musk has just merged two of his biggest companies. SpaceX has acquired XAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company. Together, they are now a worth of $1.25 trillion, making this is the most valuable private company in the history. So, the big questions are, is the SpaceX IPO coming soon? Could this IPO pull money away from the Tesla stock? And is this the beginning of new Musk empire? Let's dive into all of these details. My name is Jay, and this channel is created just to simplify the complex investment topics and the market news in a simple way so that everybody can understand. So before diving into his all companies list, so let's check his current companies list, what Elon Musk is currently holding. So the Tesla started in 2003 and it is a market cap with 1.58 trillion. So we all know that it just produces electronic cars. And the SpaceX, that is the current important topic for us, and it's 1.25 trillion with the current merge, and it has rockets and satellites. And the XAI, so it started in 2023, now it is included in SpaceX, so it's a chatbot. And Neuralink is about 10 billion company. It's for all brain implants, and Boring company he started for underground tunnels. And X, that's a Twitter social media. And we have Starlink that is included in SpaceX. It's for the satellite internet. So what is XAI? XAI is a Elon Musk's AI company started in 2003, and its main product is called Grok. Grok is a smart chatbot that we all know. It's like a chat GPT. So it answers questions, help with ideas, create images, and chat with users. XAI also uses X, formerly known as Twitter. So this gives a Grok access to a real-time information which helps to train the AI using a live data from the internet. Now coming to the SpaceX. So what does this company do? It builds rockets and it launches satellites and astronauts to space, and also planning to send people just for vacation. So SpaceX also runs Starlink. Starlink is a network, thousands of satellites that provide internet anywhere on the earth, even in remote areas, aeroplanes and ships. So what did this merge do? In simple terms, SpaceX brought XAI. So the deal was announced on 2nd February 2026. So after the merge, SpaceX is valued around 1 trillion USD dollars, and XAI is valued around 250 billion USD dollars. So together, the new company is worth of 1.25 trillion USD dollars. So this makes it the largest private companies ever created. So there is no public stock yet, but many people believe a SpaceX IPO could happen later in 2026. So why did Elon Musk do this? So he believes Earth has a big limitations when it comes to AI. Training AI needs a massive data centers. So these data centers use a huge amount of electricity, a lot of space, powerful cooling systems. So in some cases, AI training can use more electricity than the entire cities. So on Earth, we face the problems like limited land, overheating, power shortages, and environmental damage. So his bold idea is that move AI data centers into space. By combining SpaceX and XAI, Elon can use space technology, satellites, and future space stations, so to power the next generation of AI. So now our interesting topic. What about the investors? Right now, you can't buy SpaceX or XAI stock. Both companies are still private, but investors should watch one thing closely: Tesla stock. If SpaceX goes public with a big IPO, some investors might move money from Tesla to SpaceX. This doesn't mean Tesla is bad, but it could affect Tesla stock in a short term. So what are our final thoughts? This merge could be very bullish for Elon Musk's empire or risky for Tesla investors. Only time will tell. What do you think? Is this a genuine move by Elon Musk or too risky? Please comment below, like the video if you enjoy it, subscribe it for more AI and stock market breakdowns. Thank you for watching.